Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be spinning this Christmas fidget spinner. And whatever it lands on, I will find that in either Christmas decorations or fidgets. So I did something like this in 2023 and 2022. So for 2022 when I did this, I just found Christmas decorations and in 2023, when I did this, I just did fidgets. So this year, I didn't do it last year because I barely moved into this house. So, anyways, and this year I will, be doing both Christmas decorations and fidgets, Christmas fidgets. So, there's 6 different images on here. So 3 will be Christmas decorations and then 3 will be, fidgets. So before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If you guys successfully completed the 5-second challenge, comment down below if you guys like Christmas. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to spin this. I can't use it as a regular fidget spinner. So, because the other set is broken off. So I'm just going to have to do this. It looks like it landed on... It's in the middle of Santa Claus and a snowman. I'm going to spin again. It's in the middle... Oh, nope, it's a stocking. Okay. That I'm going to have to do with my fidgets. And so I'm going to go in my closet. That's where my fidgets are. Don't worry about the mess, guys. So, let me just bring you over here. Let me put you guys down more. Then in my noodle drawer in my fidgets, I have a stocking sticky hand. Whoa. I know I have a stocking sticky hand. I showed it in another one of my videos. That is a mitten. Here it is. Okay. A stocking sticky hand. Okay, stocking is checked off the list. Now this next one, I might do a little pattern. So, I don't know. Let me just set you guys back up. Here. Okay. Okay, I found the stocking. Looks like a little bit of a Santa hat. I don't think I have that as a Christmas decoration yet. So I'm gonna go in my closet again. I'm just gonna leave that right there. I have Santa Hat Mini Poppet. That's 2 down. I gotta find some in here that are Christmas decorations. Okay, number 3. A stocking I already did. a Christmas tree. I'm gonna do that as a decoration. And this is a Christmas tree that I have right here. Okay. See, I did stocking, Santa hat, and I just did a Christmas tree. So 2 fidgets and 1 Christmas decoration. Number 4. A snowman. Do I have a snowman Christmas decoration? Sorry guys, I'm adjusting the tripod. Do I have a snowman Christmas decoration? Okay. I don't think so, so another fidget. So 3 fidgets are down already, and I just need 2 more Christmas decorations. What am I looking for? A snowman. Okay. I have a snowman dimple. Oh. I do have a decoration of snowman. Oh well. Okay. So 3 fidgets. No, I need 2 more Christmas decorations. Santa hat. Or, did I do a Santa hat? Yes, I did. So, no, I did a Santa hat. That was a fidget. A stocking was a fidget. A tree was a Christmas decoration. A snowman was also a fidget. Wait, hold on. So, the snowman was a fidget. A Christmas tree was a decoration. A stocking was a fidget. So 2 fidgets. And 1. Nope. Yeah, 2 fidgets. And 1 Christmas decoration. So I just need candy cane, Santa Claus. So, so fidget. So, I just need 2 more Christmas decorations, which is a candy cane and Santa Claus. No. No. That's in the middle of Snowman and Santa Claus, so I'm gonna spin again. That's a Santa hat. Santa Claus. Okay. I don't have to go very far. Because I have a few Christmas decorations of Santa. Like this jar. A little stuffed animal down there. And this little Santa. Yeah, I have a few Santa decorations. Okay, then the last one I need is a candy cane. I need to land on a candy cane. No.
Sorry. Wait for me.
Wanna say hi?
Hi, guys. Oh, you put it on your
Yeah,
wall.
it's right there.
You should pause that.
Alright guys, pardon the interruption. Anyways, I just need a candy cane. stocking, tree, Santa Claus. Nope. No. No. Candy cane. I have this little giant cane that's on the TV. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Well, that is it for the wheel. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. What if you guys want me to do this again next year, but just with, I don't know what I will do next year with this. Maybe you'll do it at my grandma's house. That will be fun. Anyways, yeah, I could get going, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.